Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun, and in today's video, I will be demonstrating how can we create segregated reports using STATCRAFT. But before I proceed with the demonstration, I request all of you to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. As you can see here, I have got higher education data. There are important variables like state, district, year-wise, year of establishment, location, type of college, and the grand total of student enrollment. Each row represents one particular college. If you look at the first row, there is a college which is located in the Rajkot district of Gujarat. It was established in the year 1968. It is located in the urban area. It is an affiliated college and it has student enrollment of 3,050. With these 7 variables, how can I go on to build a segregated report? To build a segregated report in STATCRAFT, what you need to do is click on the analysis menu. Once you click on the analysis menu, it displays a lot of options. I will choose the second option, namely reports, and then click on the drop-down menu. There are 2 options here. I will choose the very first option, namely report tables. The moment I click on report tables, a new screen pops up. And in this particular new screen, you can specify all those variables which you want to take along the row and column respectively. All that you need to do is drag and drop a particular variable along the row or along the column. I have 2 variables in mind which I want to take along the row. I want to see the distribution of the different types of colleges state-wise. So the first variable that I will be choosing is state, and then I will click on the arrow which is pointing downwards. The moment I do this, you can see here STATCRAFT shows me the 7 different states, namely Assam, Delhi, Gujarat, so on and so forth. After state, what I want to do is I want to choose the variable type. Let me click on the variable type. Now, instead of choosing the arrow which is pointing downwards, I will choose the variable which is pointing to the right. STATCRAFT asks me, do you want to insert after the first row variable, namely state? Yes, I want to insert the variable type after state. The moment I do this, you can see here the different types of colleges in the data set, like affiliated college, constituent, PG center, or a recognized center. So along the row, you can get the distribution of the different types of colleges for each of the 7 states. Remember, I have not specified any variable along the column. So I have 3 variables in mind, which I want to drag and drop along the columns. The first variable would be year-wise distribution. So let me choose the variable year-wise and click on the arrow that is pointing towards the right side. So this will give me the distribution of student enrollment for the year 2016, 2017, and 2018, respectively. After year-wise, the next variable that I want to insert would be location. So let me select the variable location and click on the arrow which is pointing downwards. STATCRAFT asks me, do you want to insert this under the first column year-wise? Yes, I do want to insert this. Now, this gives me the breakdown of rural enrollment as well as urban enrollment for the 3 years. What is the last variable that I have in mind? The last variable that I have in mind is the grand total of student enrollment. I'll choose the variable grand total of student enrollment, and I will ask STATCRAFT to insert this after the variable location. As you can see here, the moment I choose this, you have a list of summary statistics like mean, sum, max, min, so on and so forth. I will choose the default option of mean, but you can choose either the mean or the total. Now, as you can see here, this is a very complex table because I've got multiple variables. what does this table produce? This gives me the total student enrollment. In fact, it gives me the average student enrollment for the 3 years for rural and urban sector, and for the different types of colleges for the 7 states. So if you're interested in studying the distribution of multiple variables, STATCRAFT report tables is very, very useful. Once you specify the variables, the next thing to do would be to simply click on OK. It takes a couple of seconds to run the output. And you can see here in the output window, you have the distribution of the student enrollment for the year 2016, 17, and 18 for both rural as well as urban area for the different types of colleges and for the 7 states. So this is how easy it is to construct a report table. There is no software which gives the output as quickly and as comprehensively as STATCRAFT. This particular way of presenting the output is very, very popular, especially in the government sector. So with this, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you have liked this particular video. In case you have liked this video, I request you to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Have a great day.